Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you want to design and build a beautiful website, you can do it all in one place with Squarespace. Oh, I'm recording.
We're recording.
First test. It's awesome. Yeah. Yay. Good night.
Good night.
Just kidding. Let's go look at your present.
Yay!
It's birthday number 2 for the boy. Birthday number 2 for the boy.
Of many.
Of how many?
At least 30.
Oh my god.
I need to make a month out of it.
Happy birthday, dear Rocket. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kurt. Guess it works. I am waiting for a terabyte of footage to transfer from one hard drive to another. So I've got like my fast little Samsung hard drive, and then I've got like this beefy hard drive that's so slow, but it's really big and really cheap. So I work off of my small Samsung hard drive, and then when it gets full, I just transfer everything over, like old like vlog files and stuff, and like footage, raw footage and stuff, over to the beefy hard drive. So I'm waiting for that, but the beefy hard drive is so slow, so it's gonna take, oh my god, it's gonna take 4 hours. I should not have done this. Oh well, too late. So it is probably like, is it like the 3rd? I think it's like the 3rd of November. And I wanted to make like a post that was like wrapping up Peachtober in the way that I am sharing my like all-time faves accounts that I found this year, or that I've already been aware of but participated in Peachtober. So this is going to be like my honorable mentions. I think I'm only going to be able to mention 9 people because I wanted to make an artwork for the front slide and then have it shift to their feeds. There's only 10 little spots on a carousel, so I'm going to design that not tonight, today, and I'll see like if I want to make 2 or whatever. But I'll do some sketching. I'll show you. You can see. I did it! I was just sitting in Rocket's studio on his couch. Let me show you what I did. Peachtober honorable mention. So cute. And then I shared 9 of my favorite artists from this year. I wish I could have shared more. Maybe I'll do some more in stories or something, but there was just so many good entries and so many good bodies of work from artists that did the entire or most of the prompts. It just looks so good. My hard drive transferred, but I'm like, surely that wasn't 4 hours. Like, I don't think I was doing that for 4 hours. If I was, oh crap. But I don't think I was. Next, I need to look at these chest prints that Chris has printed out for me. I need to look at the colors, make sure there's no gaps, mark down what I need to change, and then change that because we have a print and original release on the 7th, which is on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. I've got to prep some work for like a client. And then I'm gonna go to dinner with Tara and Nathan. I'm excited. It's nice to have a social life again because pre-Peachtober I wasn't double vaxxed, but now I am, and it's and then during Peachtober obviously like there was no time for that kind of stuff. Next year I really have to prepare better and do less crazy pieces, I think, just because, you know, it's just not good not to have a social life for 1 whole month and also just be at the studio from like morning till literally 10 p.m. I love the pieces so much, that's the thing. It's so tempting. Okay, so I've got a few notes. Some of these are overlapped, so I won't be able to tell if some of the edges have like the white of the paper. Like for example, this one, you can see the very corner. You know, the paint didn't reach all the way, so I need to crop it slightly or like at least Photoshop that out. This, I'm wondering if this is defined enough, but I'll probably see that in like a later test print at a larger size. I don't know if those specs are like just an imperfection of the test print or if it's actually on the file, so I need to check. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. The colors look amazing. Like, wow, they look really good. Chris is the best printer. And then I also just need to check the ratio because these are obviously different sizes and I wondering how that happened because I thought I made the 1-to-1, so we'll just check that. Don't think I'm going to do that today. I'm going to move on to the client work because I need to get it done before I leave for dinner, and I just want to make sure that it's done earlier on and then this can be done later because I have to adjust files and that always takes time. It's a little bit draining as well, so we'll see. This is the point in my week where I started uploading stuff to my store, so I think it's a perfect time to say thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I love Squarespace. I've been with them since August of 2014, which is 7 years and 3 months. That's a long time. I think it's super easy to customize. I love the way the backend looks. I love the way my website looks. And if my patronage of Squarespace isn't enough to convince you, go to squarespace.com/furrylittlepeach. You can do a free trial to see what it's like and get 10% off your first purchase.
These are.
The glassine bags?
No, they wouldn't have come yet.